Hi everyone, welcome back to Chandan Logics. I hope all you guys are doing well and good, right? And moving back to our sessions, in this session we'll be going to discuss geography, most important questions, and also all the questions were covered in your previous year examinations. So we'll be going to discuss all the questions and also parallelly we'll be going to discuss related to the concepts. Okay. Now let me begin the session with the geography MCQs, and everyone try to share this live interactive session with all the aspirants who were preparing for various competitive examinations, and also don't forget to click the like button. Now let me begin the session here with the first question related to the Tropic of Cancer. Here the question is all about Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following states? Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh or Jharkhand. Now here your question is all about select the correct answer from the code given below. So here your options were 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4. So try to go through the options, and if it is possible, try to follow the procedure of elimination technique so that you can answer within a fraction of a second the simple question. That is all about the Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following states, right? Now let me move here. Yes, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, and even moving to, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. And you can eliminate the option 3, that is Uttar Pradesh, because here if you can observe clearly, Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following states. So that were, first you can observe here Gujarat and even including a part of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and also including West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Tripura, Mizoram. So these were the states which covers through the Tropic of Cancer. Now you can answer right, you can eliminate Uttar Pradesh. The options were 1, 2 and 4. What is the answer here? Option A. So Tropic of Cancer passes through the given states in the question, but actually it passes through all these states. Are you clear now? So once you can remember the map easily, then whatever the question it may be, either it is in direct or else indirect question, or else it is like the codes, okay, you can answer easily. So try to follow the maps while you are going to the subject called geography. Now let me move to the next question. Name the place in India where the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean meets. Okay, Kanyakumari, Indira Point, Nagarkol or Rameshwaram. Okay, here the question is all about the region where all these three, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and as well as Indian Ocean meets. What is the exact region in India? It is known as, okay. If we move to the options, your answer is Kanyakumari. Option A is the perfect answer. And then other areas you have to know, like the important channels like 10-degree channel, 9-degree channel, 8-degree channel and Deccan Passage. So these were the passages, and if it is possible, go through the concept of the straits, okay, which were connecting the two other areas, so the land masses, okay. So even these areas you have to refer. But here the question is all about the point where all these three meets, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean, okay. Now let me move to the next question. The boundary line between India and Pakistan is a good example of which of the type boundary? Superimposed boundary, antecedent boundary, relicit boundary or subsequent boundary. So try to focus here. The boundary between India and Pakistan, okay, it is a type of which boundary? That is, your answer should be what? So just let me go through your comments. Even you need to answer in the comment section. Yes, good evening everyone. Yes, option D, option A. Yes. So the boundary line which is between India and Pakistan is the superimposed boundary, and also what is it is known as the boundary between India and Pakistan. So if we move here, the boundary line which is between India and Pakistan, right here. So here in the India map, it was actually represented with the red color. Just to focus here, that is known as the Radcliffe line. It is actually a superimposed boundary between these two countries, India and as well as Pakistan, and the boundary line which is known as the Radcliffe line. And also here, along with the Radcliffe line, you have to focus on McMahon line, Durand line, okay. These were the international boundaries between the various other countries and also with India. So once if you can focus here, McMahon line, right, and as well as Durand line, line of control, line of actual control. So once if you have a clear idea about these international borders which is sharing with India, then you can answer even if the question is in a difficult manner, like the options will be like, the question will be in the format of match the following. One side they will be giving a international boundary lines, names, and the other side the options will be like, suppose McMahon line is between which of the following countries, okay, the other side, like India, China, India, Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, India, Bangladesh, okay. Now are you clear, like how the questions will be? So the pro forma may be different, but the concept is similar. So go through the map clearly and even try to note down all these neighboring countries and the international boundary line names too, okay. Now, before moving to the next question here, those who are preparing for SSC examinations and especially for Ssc Cgl examination, as you well known, 7,500 plus vacancies were provided, right? So even for this complete course is available in separately English medium and Telugu medium, okay. So even the new batches already launched. Along with the courses, even we were providing the test series also even for all the Ssc Cgl examination, especially prelim test series, okay, and these were 100% result oriented, and also all the questions were designed for you based on your like the new updated pattern only, okay. And along with this, even not only for SSC examination, for the aspirants who were preparing for railway examination and even for SSC and also for bank examinations and for UPSC second paper, that is CSAT, okay. So all these courses were available with the best prices, even with the validity of 6 months, 12 months, and also one more thing, the combo courses were also available for you with the validity of 6 and 12 months, okay, SSC, RRB and bank examination. So even if you are preparing for multiple examinations, you can crack with our courses we were providing here, okay. And also the most, that is a batch, special batch, and which is known as 0 to Hero batch. Here Chandan sir will be going to cover arithmetic, reasoning and advanced maths, okay, and all these will provided and will be useful for your preliminary and as well as mains examination. So here coming to validity of 1 month, 3 months and even 6 and 12 months also. So this 0 to Hero batch which will be going to cover nearly 7,777 questions with 78 topics, okay, and even with the special batches and separate batches of Telugu medium and English medium. Don't waste your time guys and hurry up soon and avail these offers, okay. So that is a special batch which is known as 0 to Hero batch also. Now, moving to our questions. So here coming to the concept called consider the following statements, okay na. So here it is also related to the international boundaries. Assam shares the border with Bhutan and Bangladesh, the first statement. West Bengal shares with Bhutan and Nepal. Mizoram shares the border with Bangladesh and Myanmar. So here your question is, which of the statement given above are correct? 1, 2 and 3, only 1 and 2, only 2 and 3, only 1 and 3. Okay, just I'll be going through your answers. Now you need to go through it clearly, then need to answer, okay. Yes, everyone, and also those who were attending the live session, just share this interactive session with all the aspirants. Even some of the aspirants were unaware related to the live sessions, even make them sure to attend the live sessions, okay. And don't forget to click the like button as well. Yes, make it clear everyone, go through each and every statements once and twice, then need to answer in the comments. Yes, option C, option B. So here your answer is option A. 1, 2 and 3. Yes, actually. Assam shares with Bhutan and Bangladesh. The first statement is correct. And second one, if you can observe here, with Bhutan and Nepal, West Bengal shares. Absolutely correct. And Mizoram shares border with Bangladesh and Myanmar. Okay. So all the three statements were correct. Then, how you can know all these statements were correct? Once if you have an idea related to the map of India, okay. So once if you have an idea, once you can have here, what is the first question? That is Assam, right, which shares with Bhutan and as well as Bangladesh, right? Yes, first statement is correct. So that is the thing, always you have to learn geography through the maps and try to solve the questions through the maps, okay, so that you can like save your time in examination. Suppose like in GS, many number of questions you will be having various other subjects also, but coming to geography, you can solve easily once you have an idea related to the maps, okay. Always try to practice geography, so, the questions, that is geography MCQs, try to solve through the maps, then only you can remember easily and you can save your time in the examination, okay. So that this is the map, and once you have to go through each and every state and the international borders, okay, that is the international other countries, neighboring countries which are sharing with India, okay na, and whatever the states actually shares the border with other countries also, once go through the map clearly. At least today, after today's session, I think all the aspirants should be perfect, because in the next upcoming sessions again I'll be going to take geography classes, right, many more will be continuing. So in that sessions, all of our students should be perfect with the maps, okay, and you have to answer the questions within a fraction of seconds, right. So at least from today, try to go through solving geography questions through the map based, okay na. Next, consider the following relief features, and even here the question is, arrange them from south to northward, okay, what is that? From south to northward direction they were asking. So it is all about the ranges, Zaskar range, Dauladar range, Ladakh, Karakoram. Go through the options clearly and read the questions once and thrice. Here the question is not from north to south, right, it is actually from south to north, okay now. So maybe you will be in little bit confusion, so maybe major of the aspirants will commit the mistakes. So you may read the question correct if that is from the south to northward sequence, okay. Yes, most number of times these questions were asked in your examinations. Yes, in this channel the explanation will be done completely in English language, because the students from various other states will attending the sessions, so that in this Chandan Logics English channel, classes will be taught for you completely in English. In other channel called Chandan Logics, so there will be teaching in Telugu and as well as English, okay. If you want to listen the Telugu classes, just attend Chandan Logics channel. So there will be teaching you in Telugu also. But here in this channel of Chandan Logics English, only completely English classes will be taught for you. Yes, option A, option D. Yes, perfectly all right. Option A, 2, 1, 3, 4. What are that actually? First is Dauladar range, next moving to Zaskar range, next moving to Ladakh, and next moving to Karakoram. So this is from south to northward direction. Are you clear? Are you getting my concept here? That is, the sequence is from south to northward is 2, 1, 3, 4. Now let me move to the map so that you can understand easily. See here, from south to north, right, Dauladar and even Zaskar, Ladakh, and here we will be having Karakoram range. Okay, so that is the south to northward direction. And even you can have a glance here, that is Pirpanchal and even Zaskar, Ladakh and Karakoram. If the question is related to the north to south, then you can arrange like Karakoram, Ladakh, Zaskar, Pirpanchal, okay. But here the question is from south to north. So vice versa, you have to remember these ranges, okay. Now these relief features is most important in various your competitive examinations. The questions has been raised related to the ranges, okay. Now next, at which of the following hills Eastern Ghats join the Western Ghats? What is the question is all about? Eastern Ghats joins the Western Ghats. What is the hills, okay, where these two meets, Eastern Ghats and as well as Western Ghats? Palani Hills, Anamudi Hills, Nilgiri Hills or Chevroy Hills? Yes, those who were attending the live session, everyone need to answer in the comment section, and also try to share this interaction with all the aspirants, okay? Yes, option C, Nilgiri Hills, option C. Yes, option C. Yes. Yes, perfectly all right. Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats, even I have given a clue here, those who can follow it, so that is Nilgiri Hills. Okay, this is the point where the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats would meet. That is option C is the perfect answer. And also here, just I'll be giving a glance, okay, this is the point where Eastern Ghats and as well as the Western Ghats were meeting. Next, in which state Guru Shikhar peak is located? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh or Maharashtra? Yes. What is this actually? That is the Guru Shikhar peak. Most important peaks. Definitely the questions will be raised for you in your all competitive examinations. Try to focus on the peaks and the states. Okay na? So here Guru Shikhar peak is located in which of the following state? Yes, perfectly all right. That is Rajasthan. Okay, Guru Shikhar peak is at Rajasthan. Next, see here, related to the important passes, and also try to read the question properly. That is, which of the following passes and related to their location is not correctly matched. Okay, whether the question is correctly matched? No, right? It is about not correctly matched, about the passes and their location. Now let me go through your options. Bomedila Pass, Arunachal Pradesh, Nathula Pass, Sikkim, Borghat Pass, Himachal Pradesh, Palghat Pass, Kerala. Yes, try to choose the incorrect option, okay, based on the location. Yes, make it quick everyone in the comments. At least give a try. Even if you are unaware also, just give a try related to the options, okay. Yes, very good. Option C is incorrectly matched. Borghat Pass in not in Himachal Pradesh, actually it is in Maharashtra, that is the Borghat Gap, which is from Mumbai to Pune, okay. And Palghat is from Palakkad to Coimbatore, that is in Kerala. All other, like, the passes were correct except Borghat, which was incorrectly matched, okay. Next, which of the following Indian state has the longest sea coast? Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. The question is all about the sea coast, okay. What is that? Especially the longest sea coast. Yes. Yes, option C, option D, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat. Yes, Suresh, Gujarat. Kasi Reddy Sai, Gujarat. Anusha, option C, Gujarat. Yes. Yes, longest sea coast which is having is option C, that is Gujarat, okay. So Gujarat is having the longest sea coast, okay now, which is the Indian state. Next, even you can observe here, even the other regions you can observe here, like Himalayan region, northern plains, peninsular plateau region, and which this covers actually the coastal plain, that is the sea coastal plains, okay now. Next, the name of the coast of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh is, try to concentrate, name of the coast which actually includes AP and as well as Tamil Nadu. Coromandel, Malabar coast, Northern Sakkar or Konkan coast. Here the question is about the coast name, okay, which actually including Andhra Pradesh and as well as Tamil Nadu. Yes. Yes, here actually your answer you can observe. The name of the coast of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh is option A, that is Coromandel coast. Okay. Now let me move through a maps that you can remember easily. That is Tamil Nadu and AP, which is known as Coromandel. Okay. And AP to Odisha you can observe Northern Sarkar. And even from here like AP and Odisha border, which is related to that, it is Utkal plain. And Malabar coast is like, you can observe that is related to Kerala. And from Karnataka, and you can observe like Maharashtra, that is Konkan coast, okay, and Gulf of Kutch and Kathiawar, right. So even that is Cape Comorin at the peak, southernmost. And also here you need to observe, the question is all about the Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. What is the coast name here? Coromandel coast. Okay. So not only Coromandel coast, but also even try to focus on other coast also, because if the question raised in your examination, you have to be perfect with the concept. Okay. Yes. Then now 10-degree channel separates. Okay. Andaman from Nicobar Islands, Andaman from Myanmar, India from Sri Lanka, Lakshadweep from Maldives. Yes. 10-degree channel which separates. Your answer is option A, from Andaman, from the Nicobar Islands, the 10-degree channel separates. Okay. Next, Sundarban Delta is formed by which of the following rivers? Ganga and Brahmaputra, Ganga and Jhelum, Sindhu and Jhelum, or Ganga and Sindhu? Yes. So it is option A, Sundarban Delta, as we well known, right, which is forming at the edge. Okay. So here the Sundarban Delta, which is formed by the river Ganga and as well as the river Brahmaputra. So by these two flowing rivers, here the delta formed, which is known as Sundarban Delta. Are you getting? And as well as, even if you want to have a glance, here these were the Sundarbans, okay, by the Ganges river and even the Brahmaputra river. So just have a glance if it is clear, okay. The two rivers Ganga and as well as Brahmaputra, which forms the Sundarban Delta. Next, which one of the following pairs is properly matched? Okay, read the question correctly. Which of the following were correctly matched? Okay, Loktak Manipur, Udaysagar Andhra Pradesh, Didwana Haryana, Kolleru Odisha. Yes. Which of the following pairs, the lakes that were correctly matched? Yes, option A is perfect one. Loktak Manipur is perfect, but remaining all were incorrectly matched. Then, now your work is that just mention the comment section, Kolleru Lake present in which state, okay. In the same way, Didwana and Udaysagar, because here these were incorrectly matched based on their locations. Just everyone go through this concept, okay, and try to mention the comment section at least by the end of the session. So here is the list of important lakes, and recently Pong Kong Lake is in current affair. Everyone try to concentrate, which is in Ladakh. Okay, many number of times the questions were recently raised because now it is actually in current affair, Pong Kong Lake. Okay, now next, the general direction of the flow of summer monsoon in India is from south to north, southwest to southeast, or southwest to southeast to southwest, or southwest to northeast. Yes, the general direction of the summer monsoon. Yes, Kirtana, economy session tomorrow I will be going to take, okay. In the same at the same timings I will be going to take in Chandan Logic's English channel. For you, the economy class will be continued, and in Chandan Logic's channel, polity first half will be covered for you, okay. So try to attend the sessions regularly. Right. So now if we can move, the general direction of summer monsoon in India is from southwest, as you well known, right, from southwest to northeast. Are you clear? That is the general direction of the summer monsoon, and the retreating monsoons which actually in the northeast, right? Next, so this is the monsoons of India. And next, Indian Meteorological Department was established at New Delhi, Nagpur, Jodhpur or Pune. Even the questions based on like examples you can consider like about the institutions or the research centers, okay, related to geography, you have to concentrate. Yes, Swapna, especially this Chandan Logics English channel is for all the students from various states across India. So, to focus on all the students here in this channel, we will be going to cover in English language only, okay. And in Chandan Logics, I will be going to teach for you in bilingual, in Telugu and English. But in this, especially in Chandan Logics English channel, classes will be taught completely in English, okay. Yes, here your answer is New Delhi. Indian Meteorological Department is established at New Delhi, okay. Make it correct, not Pune. Some of you have mentioned Pune, it is wrong actually. Next, which one of the following statement is not true for the laterite soils? They are the soils of the humid tropical regions, and also they are highly leached soils. Yes, perfectly alright. Their fertility is very low related to laterite soils. And next one, they are rich in lime. Once you can observe here, the question is all about not true about the laterite soils, right? Yes. Here your answer is option D. They were not rich in lime, okay. But here the statement is they are rich in lime, laterite soils, okay. It is a false statement, it is not correct, okay, related to the laterite soils. Next, Kandla port is located on Gulf of Kambat, Tropic of Cancer, Rann of Kutch, Gulf of Kutch. Yes, Suresh, related to Indian national parks. Yes, definitely if it is possible, one fine session I will be going to take for you, okay. Yes, option C, Sirisha. Yes, Sai, option C, Kandla port. It is actually option D, that is Gulf of Kutch, okay. So, once let me give you a clear idea. So, it is Kandla port, right, which is present at Gulf of Kutch. Even Marmaghawa Port Trust, Mangaluru, Kochi Post, and even Tuticorin Vivo, Chidambaram Port, or else Ennore Port or Chennai Port, Vishakhapatnam, Paradip Port which is at Odisha, Kolkata Port at West Bengal. Are you clear? Try to concentrate on the okay, on the ports which are especially on the coastal areas. Are you clear? I think so. You are getting the concepts clearly, right? Next. Now, which of the following passes are located in the state of Sikkim? Jilipla, Nathula, Lipu Lake. Okay. Now, which of the following options were correct? Okay, now 1 and 2, that is Jilipla and Nathula, or option B 1 and 3, option C 2 and 3, option D all of the above, that is 1, 2 and 3. Yes, here especially they have mentioned the location also, that is in the state of Sikkim, what were the passes present? Are you clear? Yes, most of the repeated times the questions raised on the Sikkim state passes. In many number of various examinations, you have to concentrate that. Yes, option A, option C, 1 and 2, or 2 and 3, few of you have mentioned like Nathula and Lipule. Yes, option A, 1 and 2. Yes, 1 and 2, option 3, 2 and 3. Okay. Yes, Kirtana. Sirisha, option C, 2 and 3. Yes, yes, Arun, perfectly all right. Yes, now let me move to the answer. In the state of Sikkim, the passes were Jilipla and Nathula. That is option A is the perfect answer, 1 and 2. Major of you have mentioned 3, that is option C, it is actually wrong, because once you can observe Lipu Lake, okay, where is that actually? Here in Uttarakhand. Lipu Lake is presented in Uttarakhand, okay, not in Sikkim. In Sikkim, especially the two passes, this is most important, that is Nathula Pass and Jilipla Pass, okay. And Shipkila, Himachal Pradesh, Rohtang Pass, Himachal Pradesh, Banhilal Pass, okay. So once if you can have an idea related to the maps, so in this way, like Jojila Pass, okay, in Jammu and Kashmir, and even in Ladakh, if you can observe like Karakoram Pass, or are you clear? And you have to have a glance even related to Arunachal Pradesh also, that is Bomedila Pass and Diffu Pass. Number of times these questions asked, okay, repeated passes. So even the questions can be raised like from north to south or south to north. So once if you know the map idea like clearly, then you can answer it easily. Either you can arrange from north to south or south to north or east to west, okay. So based on the maps only, most number of questions will be given for you based on the static part of geography. Are you getting? Next. Arrange the following Himalayan hills from east to west. Dafla Hills, Miri Hills, Abor Hills or Mishmi Hills. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4 or 2, 1, 4, 3. Here the question is all about from east to west direction. Okay na? Just to go through the options clearly. That is the thing just now I have informed you. Once if you were perfect with the maps, okay, then you can solve the questions without any confusion. Okay. Yes. Yes, option D 2143. Option B Sai 4321. Yes, 2143. 4321 Vikram. Yes, Suresh option B. Pavan Kumar option B. Yes, those who are attending the live session, everyone need to share this session with all the aspirants and let this video reach to many more aspirants, okay. And don't forget to click the like button as well. Yes, option A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the question is not from west to east. Read the question properly. The question is from east direction to west direction. The chronology is all about. Yes, perfectly all right. 4, 3, 2, 1. That is Mishmi Hills, next Abor Hills, Miri Hills and Dafla Hills. That is especially from east to west direction. Just I will be going through the map here. See, look here clearly everyone. Here it is Mishmi Hills actually. Then from if we come to west, that is Abor Hills, next Miri Hills, next Dafla Hills. Are you clear? All those were present in Arunachal Pradesh, okay, all the hills, that is Mishmi, Abor, Miri and Dafla Hills, okay. This is most important question. Next, Duncan Passage situated between Minicoy and Amindev or Minicoy and Maldives, Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, South Andaman and Little Andaman. Yes. All above the Duncan Passage. Minicoy and Amindev, Minicoy and Maldives, or else between the Andaman and Nicobar, or South Andaman and Little Andaman. Yes, D may be, okay. Option B, that is Minicoy and Maldives. Yes, and one more thing, like you have to go through this park, okay, park straits, or else the passages, okay, like Duncan Passage, etc. And the channels, like 10-degree channel and even 8-degree channel, okay, 9-degree channel, you will be having these, and the parallels also. So in geography, these plays a major role, and number of times questions raised based on these channels and passages. Yes. Option B, option C. Yes, now if we move to the answer, that is South Andaman and Little Andaman, the passage is Duncan Passage, which is situated between the South and the Little Andaman. Okay, now next, which of the following are true regarding the Jhum cultivation? It is largely participated in Assam, referred as slash and burn technique, and the fertility is exhausted in a few years. So, which of the statements were true related to the Jhum cultivation? Especially in the hilly areas, Jhum cultivation will be done. It is also known as the slash and burn technique also. That is, the statement 2 is correct. Yes. Yes, based on the statements also you can solve, right? Yes, option D, 193. Actually, second statement is correct. Next, try to solve the other two statements. Yes, option C, only 192. Why not 3? Even in it, actually, by doing the Jhum cultivation, the fertility will be decreases, that is exhausted in the few years also. That is also true actually. That means here option A is perfect answer. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, all the 3 statements were true related to the Jhum cultivation. Okay, now it is especially in Assam area, that means in the hilly areas, and also in the, it is also known as slash and burn technique. And by doing this slash and burn technique, always performing regarding the Jhum cultivation, maybe in the few years the fertility can be exhausted. Okay, so that is also the true statement related to the Jhum cultivation. So 1, 2 and 3 were correct, that is option A is the perfect answer. Okay, next, which of the following groups of states has the largest deposits of iron ore? Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, Bihar and Orissa, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, West Bengal and Assam. Yes. Which of the following groups of states has the largest deposits of iron ore? Option B, option C, option A, option C, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, the largest deposits of iron ore. Option B, Bihar and Orissa. Yes, perfectly alright, Bihar and Odisha. Okay, so that are the largest deposits of iron ores in India. Next, which of the following drainage systems fall into Bay of Bengal? Ganga, Brahmaputra and Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri, Luni, Narmada and Tapi, or both A and B. Here the question is all about which of the following rivers especially fall into the Bay of Bengal region. Once if you have an idea about the east flowing rivers and the west flowing rivers, then you can answer the question easily, right? Yes. Option D. Now even I have given the clue, right? East flowing and west flowing rivers. If you have an idea, you can answer this. Yes, option D, option C, yes, once if you can observe, yes, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari, all this flows into Bay of Bengal. Then can we move to the next one, Luni, Narmada and Tapi. This actually flows into Arabian Sea, right? Then we can eliminate this. Here the question is all about the following drainage system falls into Bay of Bengal. So the first one is correct. Now move to the second one. Okay, third one anyway we have eliminated because it flows into Arabian Sea. Next, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri. Even these rivers also falls into Bay of Bengal. Okay, so even option B is correct. So what is option D? That is both A and B. Here your answer is option D. Okay, both A and B, all these drainage systems falls into the Bay of Bengal. Now are you clear, like which of the following rivers flows into Arabian Sea and which of the following river falls into the Bay of Bengal? So once if you have a clear idea and without confusion, you have to be perfect, because number of times in various central examinations and state examinations these questions were raised. Okay. So even you can have a glance here, the rivers and even the states covering those. Okay, so this is a drainage pattern in India especially. So go through each and every drainage system in India. Okay, that is a river system in India. And just now, as I have announced to you all about Ssc Cgl new batch is launched, focusing on the new pattern of your examination, and also will be going to provide you in both separate languages, in Telugu medium and English medium, and along with the courses to test your performance and to analyze your, to improve your performance. Even we were providing the test series for Ssc Cgl 2023 prelims examination, okay, and even with the offer 50%, so 25 real time test will be provided for you, and this is also based on the new examination pattern. Even still, if you have any queries or the information if you need, just you can contact us, okay, the below numbers. And also the complete courses for RRB, even for bank examinations or for SSC examinations, okay, even for UPSC CSAT batches also available with us. So even the combo batches including SSC, RRB and bank examinations with the best prices and with the validity of 3 months, 6 months and 12 months will be providing. So hurry up guys, because all we were providing the best prices, and still if you have queries you can contact us. And one more thing, even the students who were from non-maths background also, you can, here is a good opportunity for you. We were providing a 0 to hero batch which will be going to helpful for various other competitive examinations. All these classes were taught by Chandan sir. In this will be going to include 7,777 questions will be going to discuss, and 78 topics will be covered for you in arithmetic, reasoning and advanced maths, okay. And even the courses validity of 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months validity. Are you clear? And with the separate batches of Telugu medium and English medium will be providing. So this is related to all the courses and the best prices and with the validity. And still if you have any queries, you can contact us through these numbers, okay. And even we will be providing the description also. If you have the queries, you can contact us, we will be going to resolve your issues. And along with that, one more update for you all, that is whatever the classes will be updating, or even I will be taking, or even any other faculty will be taking in Chandan Logics. So here now it is an update that we will be providing the study material for you. That means whatever the class we were discussing, okay, that material will be provided in a PDF format in Chandan Logics app. Once if you download Chandan Logics app, so here if you can go through the profile, that is in study material, okay, we will be providing all the free YouTube PDF materials or like current affair materials, okay, we will providing here. So daily current affairs, and even whatever the classes will be taking in YouTube also in PDF formats for freely will be providing in the Chandan Logics application, okay. Download Chandan Logics app and go to the study materials also. Definitely these free study materials and the classes, every day we will be taking classes, right. All the materials will be updated here. So every day you can check there and you can download, right. So this is all about a new update for you. And even to make your preparation easier, we were coming up in a better ways for you, right. So thank you guys. We'll be meeting in the next session with other concepts and other subject. Until that, stay tuned and have a nice day.